How to see your Facebook password on computer or laptop. Hi everyone. Forgetting passwords happens to all of us, but finding them doesn't have to be hard. Today, I'll guide you through a super easy way to view your Facebook password directly on your computer or laptop. Let's jump right in. Start by opening Gmail on your computer or laptop. Click on your profile photo in the top right corner. Select the Gmail account you used to sign up for Facebook. Then, click on Manage Google Account. On the left side of the page, click on Security. Scroll down and look for Password Manager. Click on it. Find Facebook from the list of saved accounts and open it. To confirm it's you, Google will ask for your Gmail password. Enter it and press Next. You'll now see your Facebook details. Click on the eye icon to reveal your password. And there you go. That's all it takes to find your Facebook password. This is how you can see your Facebook password on your computer or laptop. Hope this video helped. Don't forget to like and share.